shoot. Oh, man, not again. Crap. Allegedly. Don't forget, allegedly. I walk into a department store, turn, look at the cashier, show her my Sharpie marker and my tape measure. Oh, you're good. People come in with tools all the time. Come on in. Ma'am, I'm sorry to bother you. There was this really great video on YouTube and I was distracted and I accidentally backed into your car.
Oh, it's okay. People hit my car all the time. My husband calls me accident prone.
Ma'am, are you sure? There's a dent in your door. It was definitely my fault. Hey, do I know you from somewhere? You look familiar.
Oh, I just have one of those faces. Actually, I've got something for that in my trunk. Let's see here. It's in here somewhere. Let go. I was looking for that. Let's see here. There it is. Fixed. See you later.
What a nice lady. I am so confused right now. God, she looks familiar. Oh, I know who she is. I think she's the cashier from the department store. Oh, yeah. Gotta go mow the grass that time of year again. What? What in the world? Eileen! What did you do to the car? I swear to God, that woman is gonna be the death of me. Eileen! Did another dent mysteriously show up on Eileen's car? Maybe she even tried to fix it. Maybe you jackknifed the truck, trying to pick up the latest project.
That's what I'm talking. We jackknifed them.
Let's start off with some suction cups. I really hope these work. We'll try 2 pull-in at the same time. Now, it's not perfect, but if you take into consideration I do not know what I'm doing, I think it looks pretty good.